Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 30th of November, 2023. The equity benchmarks extended gains for the third straight session on November 30th amid volatility on the November expiry day supported by pharma, capital goods, realty and oil and gas names. At close, the Sensex was up 86.53 points, or 0.13% at 66,988.44, and the Nifty was up 36.60 points, or 0.18% at 20,133.20. Ultratech Cement, HDFC Life, Sun Pharma, Apollo Hospitals, and ICA Motors were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers were InduSind Bank, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Reliance Industries and Power Grid Corporation. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of General Insurance Corporation of India continued their stellar run on November 30th, rising around 5%. The stock has rallied over 35% in 7 days and over 50% in just 15 days. The company's market capitalization has soared to 55,834 rupees crore. The surge can be attributed to the company's impressive financial performance, credit rating upgrade and strong outlook. Thomas Cook India shares fell 5% in the early trade on November 30th on the NSE after the company announced that promoter Fairbridge Capital, in Mauritius, would sell over 6% in the company through an offer for sale. At 1 p.m., the stocks were locked in lower circuit at 150.5 rupees. Owned by Indian-origin Canadian billionaire Prem Watsa, Fairbridge Capital has over the years invested in public and private equity securities and debt instruments in India and Indian businesses. Metro Brand Limited surged 6% to hit a new 52-week high of 1,441 rupees in the early trade on November 30th, a day after it signed a long-term licensing agreement with Foot Locker, a US-based sneaker company. Metro Brands will not only own and operate Foot Locker stores but will also be able to sell authorized merchandise, the company said. Metro Brands CEO Nissa Joseph said the agreement would help the company pave the way in revolutionizing the sneaker market, enhancing the retail experience and meeting the dynamic needs of its customers. Shares of INFRACONSTRUCTION up 4% on November 30th as the company board approved a plan to raise funds. The board has given its approval for a fundraising initiative of approximately 550 rupees crore, the company said. This will be accomplished through the issuance of convertible equity warrants in the preferential route, subject to the necessary statutory and regulatory approvals. The approval process includes seeking the nod from shareholders of the company, wherever required, it added. The Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency followed up its bumper listing, with a gain of another 11% on November 30th, making the stock a multi-bagger in 2 days. It is now up 108% over the issue price of 32 rupees. The stock listed on November 29th at a premium of 56% at 50 rupees. Several analysts recommend holding the stock for the medium to long term due to the state-run company's strong fundamentals and growth potential. BMB Triple Wall Containers Limited in daily time frame is trading around 290.75 points with a change of 15.08%. and is trading with a net volume of around 162.936 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 257.45, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.15. Dolex Agritech Limited in daily time frame is trading around 56 points with a change of 14.75%. and is trading with a net volume of around 620,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 47.05, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.47. Navcar Corporation Limited in daily time frame is trading around 94.10 points with a change of 13.24% and is trading with a net volume of around 20.7 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 75.80, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 88.90. For the stock recommendation we have, Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited looks good and can be bought at 628 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 608 rupees and a target of 650 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.